Good afternoon, this is Mr. John. As we start to reemerge into society, one of the things that they have told us to do is to make sure to wear face masks. Well, the DoD came out with a very easy way to do this. So if you have a leftover t-shirt, and in my closet I've got a lot of old Civil Air Patrol t-shirts, in which I'd like to give a shout out to all of the Air Force Academy graduates. I've got a former cadet who graduated today, as well as shout out to my former Squadron 21 in Omnia Praetus and all things be prepared. Make sure you got that can-do attitude. All right, so the easiest way to do this, you take your old t-shirt and you measure so that there's 8 inches of t-shirt. Then you cut it across. So all you need is scissors, a ruler, and a t-shirt. All right, now that we have that, the next part we do is we cut about 15 inches in so that you have the ties to go behind your head. So right here, you give about an inch or so for your ties. Well, I'm going to clean this up first. Then you cut the ends. And cut out your square. So just like that, you have yourself a no-sew face mask, thanks to the DoD. Ta-da! All right, thank you for joining me. I hope you are successful in all your mask needs.